Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mike Malbro. Welcome back to Wallet Reset. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to do an affiliate marketing business without a website and without money. Alright, so before I get started, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tick the bell icon so that you can get notifications. And also, at any given time in this video, if I say something that you didn't know that you think is good to know, hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. All right, so affiliate marketing without a website and without even having to have any money is something that is going to take work, okay? Now, when you make money, I suggest that you 100% use every little bit that you have to put into getting a website, buying traffic, doing all the stuff that you're actually supposed to do to have a business running, okay? But we're gonna deal with where you are right now. So if you're a brand new beginner with affiliate marketing, this is what you have to do. So step number one, obviously, you have to have a affiliate program that you're gonna sell from, okay? Now, this already assumes that you know who you're gonna target, what audience you wanna talk to, and what their pain points are, what all they wanna know, what all they wanna learn. All right, so I'm assuming that you already know who you're gonna talk to, who you're gonna target. So one of the best ways to start affiliate marketing has absolutely nothing to do with sales, okay? And I'm not gonna go super duper deep into it, but essentially it is cost per lead, okay? Which means that instead of you having to sell a product, some vendors allow you to send traffic to a website where somebody types in maybe their email, or they might type in their zip code or something like that, and you get paid every time that happens. And it's not as much as making a full-blown sale, but if you get $2, $3, $5 here and there from somebody signing up to some of these offers, right, then that can build up, and that's a way of getting started to make some money. Now, that's not where you stop, that's where you start. So the best place to do that is called ShareASale, okay? Now, there's a lot of different places online that you can do this, but I recommend ShareASale simply because it's really, really fast to get started with ShareASale. All right, I got a ShareASale account and didn't have a website up. So ShareASale, I will say go ahead and check them out. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you guys want to get signed up for that. But start with ShareASale and find offers that allow you to get paid every time you send in a lead, okay? Now, once you do that, what you're gonna have to do, because you don't have a website and you can't just go out and write content or anything like that, you're gonna have to actually find places where you can talk about the topic that's related to the product you're selling, right? So, for example, if you're selling or if you're promoting, because you're not actually selling anything, if you're doing a cost per lead, right? But if you're promoting an offer, let's say it's an offer for skin cream, right? If you're promoting a skin cream offer, then you would go to maybe Instagram, for example, put it in your bio, put the link in your bio so that people can click on that link, write a little something to get people interested, and then post a lot of skincare pictures of people like before and after. Or you don't want to use before and after unless it's for that product, right? So let me just say that ahead of time, because I know that some people are like, okay, go. But before and afters of that product, people who've used that product, or people with really good skin, clear skin, and a little bit of something to entice people to click the link in your bio. All right, and essentially you just want to post as many times a day as possible. Now, I will say that you can also use any other social media platform. You can also go to forums and blogs and stuff like that, right? But if you want to really get a good start, right, and you want to actually build a long-term business, which is something that I always suggest, I would say YouTube, right? YouTube videos is a great way to build your audience without having to have a website that you pay for, that you spend time to build, so on and so forth. So if you are brand new and you have a cell phone, right, you can start your own YouTube channel and get started with affiliate marketing and not need to send people to your specific website. Now, there are downfalls on this way of making money, right? So the first thing is, even if you do YouTube or you do Instagram, these people are interacting with your product. They don't actually get to know you or your business unless you're doing a YouTube with like something like this. Then they can get to know your face. You can tell them your story and stuff like that. But they're really not going to get to know your brand. They're not really going to get to know your own products unless you are selling your products, right? You don't have to sell products necessarily to start, but it's good to think about something like that down the road. Also, you're not building a email list. Now, there are people out there that are saying that email lists are dying. I will tell you from my experience, that's not true. All right. Now, if you believe that they are or they're not, that's on you. And I will say that the alternative is spending money on advertising or just making content and making it specifically for your audience. And in either case, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. I prefer email lists because I know that I want to be able to contact people. Also, something that I have never done, but I know is something that's becoming more of an avenue that people are going to start doing is SMS and Messenger, like Facebook Messenger, stuff like that. If you can get people to open up something that you're sending out to them to contact, then you have control of your cash flow on some level. So that's really my point, is you want to be able to control your cash flow. And the best way to do that is through email marketing. So that's the first thing that if I were you, I would spend my money on. I would spend my money on finding a way to build a website that's affordable for you, right? And then I would get started with email marketing. Now, if you would like to learn how to get your website up, how to start doing email marketing, how to start getting traffic, and possibly make your first sale in the first 48 hours, then I have my course Starters Formula in the description below. All right, so you should check that out if you guys want to go ahead and get started with building a site. But if you do not, use what I showed you in this video and really just set a goal to say, okay, well, I'm going to make my first $100, $200, $500, $1,000, whatever your goal is, by doing just that. I'm just going to find one offer. I'm going to promote that offer every day for however many days, or every day, these many times a day, and see how it does for you, right? It might take you 6 months. It might take you a couple weeks. It might take you a year. It really all just depends on how much you've already provided to the market and how fast people get to see you and follow you. All right. So if you got anything from this video, give me a thumbs up. All right. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. And as I said, check out Starters Formula, because I'm going to show you how to start with a site, how to do it the right way. But if you just can't, like I said, follow what I showed you in this video. Anyway, Mike Malbrough signing off. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.